I am preparing one of my potato salad recipes. I cut up my potatoes like these. I also leave the skin on. I like the skin on my potato salad. And I would let it cook for 25 minutes until it's al dente, and then I take it off the stove. While the potatoes are cooking, I'm prepping my bacon bits. I chop up my bacon in slices like these, and I will cook it until they become crispy. I like using fresh bacon bits for this type of potato salad that I'm making. And once it's cooked like these, I drain it and let it rest for a little while until my other ingredients are done. My potatoes are now al dente. I drained it, and now I need to let it cool. I need to let it thoroughly cool before I start making my potato salad. Now that my potatoes are cooled, I add in my freshly made bacon bits. Now I will add in my fresh spring onions, chop it up into pieces like these, add in my spring onions. Next, I will add in some shredded extra sharp cheddar cheese. I did not have time to grate cheese, so I used the cheddar cheese in the bag. Now I will mix all these ingredients together and until it's thoroughly mixed. It looks absolutely awesome. I gotta mix it all together. Now that I have that thoroughly mixed, I add in mayonnaise. I add in just enough mayonnaise to coat the potatoes and no more. Just enough to coat the potatoes. I continue to stir and mix it all together until it's thoroughly mixed. Just enough mayonnaise to coat the potatoes and no more. It's simply awesome. Now, it's looking like I have enough mayo to coat the potatoes. So next, I'm adding in black pepper. Once I add in the black pepper, I continue to stir and mix the potato salad. Continue mixing. It's absolutely awesome. Just enough mayo to coat it. As you can see, it's not saturated with mayo. Now that the black pepper is all mixed in there together, I add in a little bit of salt. Once I add in the salt, I continue to stir and mix everything together. And if you notice, my potatoes are still firm and al dente, and it's not looking like mashed potatoes. Continue to stir and mix and taste it. If it needs a little bit more salt, add more salt to it. Keep in mind, the bacon also is salty. Now I'm preparing my red rice. I have my water in the pot. I am adding in a little bit of olive oil and my special achoti seasoning, and I'm going to let this come to a boil. Now the water is boiling. Oh, look at that beautiful color with my achoti seasoning. I add in my rice, level it out a little bit, and cover it with the lid. I let it simmer for 25 minutes, and in the end it will come out to be a perfect rice. I do not open the lid while it's cooking. I also prepped some baby back ribs. I marinated the ribs in my own special marinade recipe. Marinated for 8 hours, and now I am placing it on the grill. It's going to take a total of 1 hour for my baby back ribs to be done. Exactly 1 hour. My baby back ribs. Now it's been 1 hour. Now look at these ribs. Isn't it absolutely awesome? Look at that beautiful color on these ribs. Awesome. It is now done, and I am now taking it off the grill. Look at that beautiful color. Beautiful color. My baby back ribs grilled for exactly 1 hour. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful color. I have now plated our Sunday dinner. I have pickled radish. I also made some cucumbers and tomatoes marinated in my special marinating sauce. My red rice, baby back ribs, and my special potato salad recipe. It's simply awesome, very tasty. The pickled radish is very, very spicy. The cucumbers and tomatoes, I marinated a day in advance. Absolutely awesome. Our Sunday dinner on Memorial Day weekend. Nothing fancy. my recipe. Simply delicious.